What's going on, guys? In today's affiliate marketing tutorial, I'm going to show you why it's one of the best ways to make money online for beginners. And I'm going to show you the best way to actually start with affiliate marketing for beginners as well. Now, the reason I'm doing this video is because one of my other videos where I talked about how I made $50,000 per year by doing nothing was about affiliate marketing. And that video is kind of popping off right now. And there were a lot of questions asking, how can I get started with this, Franklin? What's the best way to get started with this? So I'm going to show you the best way right now to get started with affiliate marketing so you can go and make money online. And here's some results on the screen, guys. We have $100,000 from one program, and we have over $81,000 in 1 year from another program. So I'm going to show you exactly how I started to make these particular affiliate marketing commissions and how you can do this as well. Now, guys, affiliate marketing can seem like a scary thing for a lot of people, but it's really easy to do once you understand the process and the concept and you understand how this actually all works. So let's jump into this, guys. But before we do that, make sure you tap the notification bell, tap that subscribe button just to know my next video comes out, and smash that like button if you want to know how to make money online. So how does affiliate marketing work? We'll briefly go over that. What is affiliate marketing in case you don't know? It's when you promote someone else's product for a commission. So for example, if you promote a product for $100 and the commission is 50%, you get a $50 commission. So the beauty is, guys, you don't need your own courses, softwares, or any type of product. I can go and find someone else's product right now, promote that, and make money. Okay, so let's jump into this, guys, and we'll do this step by step to make it a lot easier for you to understand. So step number one, usually you will go and find a product first to promote, but this is how I like to do it. The first step is to figure out what type of traffic source you're going to use, because the traffic source is going to determine what type of product you're going to go and promote. Okay, so you need to think to yourself before you even start to do affiliate marketing is, do you want to put in work now and chill later on? Because if you want to do that, then we'll go with the free traffic method. Do you want to consistently put in work forever? That means, do you just want to keep working to make money like a job? See, the way I like to look at affiliate marketing is like passive income. I want to set up a passive income traffic source. I don't want to be doing ads all the time. Like if you're going to be doing paid traffic, you're consistently putting in work. That's not the way I like to do my affiliate marketing. Or you can be a clown and you can go and spam YouTube videos and stuff like that. But that traffic source is useless and you're never really going to get anywhere. And then the last two questions really are, do you have money for traffic? Because if you don't, then you're going to have to go with free traffic. So last but not least, do you want organic free traffic? And that's what I like to go with. Now, the difference between paid and organic is quite significant. So with paid traffic, guys, you usually have to promote high ticket products and you have to build complex funnels. And you need money, of course. However, with organic traffic, you can pretty much promote any product. It can be a high ticket, low ticket. All you need is a simple website usually, or some sort of blog page, and you don't need any money to get started with this. And sometimes you never need any money. It can just grow organically. So for this particular method, guys, we're going to go with free organic traffic because it's the best. You don't need any money to get started, okay? Now, step number two, guys, is to choose a niche or a product. Now, it's not niche like everyone thinks. There's no T, it's niche. And to choose a niche or a product. Now, I recommend a software company when starting. So for example, ClickFunnels is a program. I'll show you what ClickFunnels is right here. ClickFunnels is this program here where I've made over $121,000, guys, from this particular product, and this is called ClickFunnels. Now, what ClickFunnels is, guys, is a lot of ways you can promote this. You can go and get people on the free trial, and you get a 40% commission from that trial if they stay on for whenever, right? You get a commission every single month, a monthly commission. You can promote this product here, the Funnel Builder Secrets, where I think you get like $1,000 commission or $400 or something like that. So they have low ticket stuff, guys, and then they have high ticket stuff. So this is called ClickFunnels. Another one of my favorites is Shopify, and that's the one I showed in my last video, guys. And all you do is you go and sign up to the Shopify affiliate system. You can just put in Shopify affiliate into Google, and you can simply go and sign up. Now, Shopify has a pretty big commission system as well. I actually don't know how it works. I just get a bunch of commissions all the time from the traffic sources that I use, but it works extremely well. So when you go and try and find affiliate marketing products to promote, guys, I recommend things like ClickFunnels, Shopify, GetResponse at the bottom. That's an email marketing platform. You want to try and promote products that people are going to use forever in their business for a long time. For example, I'm signed up to GetResponse. I signed up about 4 years ago now. I signed up through someone. That person is still making money from me every single month, and I'm paying like $3,000 per month to be on GetResponse because I have a huge email list, right? So this person's getting 33% of that every single month from me, right? For the last 4 years or whatever it was. Now, on the start of the 4 years, I was on a smaller plan, but for like the last year and a half, I've been on a bigger plan. So they get like $300 or something from me every single month. So it's really, really good money when you're going out and promoting these software programs, right? Well, you can promote courses and stuff, but software programs really are the best because you can make good long-term sturdy money from this. Okay, now the next step, guys, is to go out and show you my secret method to getting content ideas. But before we do that, let's roll forward to step number 4 to explain how we go and get the traffic. What I do, guys, is what you want to do, I should say, is go and create a niche website. It's supposed to say creating a niche website. That's step number 4. So you want to go out and create a website based on particular topics. So let me show an example, and then we'll go through and show you how to do it with the secret traffic method. So this is one of my websites here, guys. Some of you old subscribers have probably never seen this before. This is the first time I'm ever showing it on YouTube. This is called 5funnel.com, and I go out and I do content based on ClickFunnels. And you can see if people click on this and purchase ClickFunnels through this banner, I get a commission, right? We scroll down, people click on this, it goes to ClickFunnels. I also get a commission from this particular, well, actually, this goes to another article that I've done. And if we click on official website, it should go to the, So I would get a commission if someone purchased this product. So this is my website, guys. I've written content based on ClickFunnels and stuff like that, right? Here's another one. Here's another one here that I've created. And this is a nice, good article here. Oh, keeps going. This is another one here that I've created, and I create this content and it's free traffic, right? It's completely free because all I'm doing, guys, is going out there and writing this content, and then I'm getting people that are searching in Google who find my content, and I'm getting commissions. But the big question is, where do you get ideas from? Franklin, how do you write these articles? Where do you get the ideas from, guys? Well, let's go back to my secret little tip, okay? This is where I get my ideas from. I go to a website, guys, called answerthepublic.com. And all you got to do is put in ClickFunnels or Shopify or GetResponse, and it comes up with all of these questions that people have asked on the internet when they put into Google. And there is literally hundreds of questions that you can go and write about. So for example, how to promote ClickFunnels. You can do an article, how to promote ClickFunnels. We have, can you use ClickFunnels with Shopify? So here is a example here. This is a article, ClickFunnels versus Shopify. I could add a section in there based on that particular question. Or I could do a complete article that's titled, can you use ClickFunnels with Shopify? You can literally go out and do content based on that particular topic. We have who owns ClickFunnels. We have who uses ClickFunnels. We have what is ClickFunnels affiliate? What does ClickFunnels cost? What is ClickFunnels backpack? What is ClickFunnels pricing? Guys, these are questions people have asked in Google, and they're asking them in Google every single day. There's over 5 billion searches in Google every single day. And this is some of those searches. If we go down, we have what can ClickFunnels do? These are people that are interested in ClickFunnels. They want to go out and use ClickFunnels, but they're kind of like on the fence. They don't know whether they should get ClickFunnels or get something else. So if you create content based around these questions, this is a great way to start, guys. And you build out these websites based on a particular niche or product or topic, you're going to start to get affiliate commissions. That's how I started in my last video about how I made $50,000 per year doing nothing. That's how I started, guys, doing this years ago, and then it snowballs into a snowball effect, and you just make money as time goes on, and you do more content. Okay, we'll keep going down, guys. There's more stuff, and then we have alphabetical order, guys. ClickFunnels discount, ClickFunnels dashboard, how to delete ClickFunnels contacts. how to clone a funnel in ClickFunnels. There is literally hundreds of article ideas, guys, here. We've got ClickFunnels versus Shopify, ClickFunnels versus lead pages, ClickFunnels versus Kartra, ClickFunnels versus Builderall, ClickFunnels versus Kajabi, ClickFunnels versus GetResponse. What is ClickFunnels? ClickFunnels, Zapier. There is so much here, guys. Now, what's the next step once you have all of these article ideas? The next step is to first start a website, okay? That's the next step. And there's lots of tutorials on YouTube on how to do that. I'll leave a video below on that particular topic. But what you want to do, guys, is once you've actually created one of these websites, you've started up a website, all you want to do is go and create a post based on one of those particular topics. So if I go to post and I go to add new, really simple, guys, and I'm going to be like, hey, I'm going to do an article on, sorry, let me just get this here. I'm going to do an article on using ClickFunnels with Facebook ads. So I'm going to do an article on how to use ClickFunnels with Facebook ads. Now, you might be thinking, but maybe these people already have ClickFunnels. That's okay, guys. You can promote other ClickFunnels products in that article. You can promote this webinar where you get a big commission, right? You can promote this other webinar where you get a big commission. ClickFunnels also has things like books and all sorts of things you can promote. They have so many products that you can go out and promote. So you can do an article based on how to use ClickFunnels with Facebook ads, and you don't have to put links to the trial. You can go out and put links to webinars, books, and other products that ClickFunnels has to promote. And it doesn't work just for ClickFunnels, guys. You can do it for Shopify as well. So for example, if we go back real quick and we put Shopify in, it'll have all these questions based on Shopify, and you can literally go out and do a website based on just Shopify, an affiliate marketing website where you get free traffic and you get commissions. Look at this. Wow. Look at this, guys. Can Shopify integrate with Amazon? Can Shopify integrate with WordPress? Look at all of these questions, guys, that people are asking on Google every single day that you can go and use. You've got all of these ideas to build out this huge affiliate marketing website, guys. So that is literally the steps you need. And then you just go and create a post and you put in the content, guys. It's very easy. It takes me about probably an hour to do this one. It probably took me about an hour to do this one article, right? That's not that long. If you can do 1 or 2 articles per day and you build out this website, once you get to like 20 to 30 articles, it snowballs and you start to make really good money with affiliate marketing. And all you need to do, guys, is put your link in the article. So I've got a link here. You can actually get a 21-day trial through my link. It should say 14. When people click on this link, guys, I get a commission. So how do you put the link in? You just highlight the text. So I'll put in here, get your trial here. When you're in ClickFunnels and you have your link, let me just get the link here. Let me just get the affiliate link. Copy this affiliate link right here, guys. And all I do is go back to here and I highlight this. The spelling's wrong, but I highlight that. I go to the chain and I post in my link. And when people click, if we preview this, guys, when people click on this link, it goes to my ClickFunnels trial, guys, and that's how I make the commissions with ClickFunnels. Now, the reason my ClickFunnels account has come up, guys, is because I'm actually signed into ClickFunnels. But creating these websites, guys, is the best way to start affiliate marketing as a beginner. But if you want more advanced training, you want to know how to go and rank these in Google, you want to know how to create these from scratch, you can actually join my training that shows you step by step on how to actually do this, and it takes you through how to start your own affiliate marketing business from scratch. And I'll also leave some videos up on the screen so you can go and check those out completely free in a playlist if you want to learn more about affiliate marketing. Don't forget to subscribe, tap that notification bell, guys, and smash that like button, and I'll see you on my next video.